Alright, this is DC Annual 28599, and we're going to randomize these characters to see who gets the Batman spot. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Goes to Catwoman. That's very appropriate. $100 coming up. Alrighty, we have Green Lantern, Sandman, Dawn of DC, Mary Marvel variant, Cyborg Superman, and the Huntress. Impulse, Ursa, Fire and Ice, welcome to Smallville, #1 spot. We have Night Terror's Robin and Batman. Green Arrow, Connor Hawke, Wonder Woman, Birds of Prey, Black Canary variant, Killer Moth, and Superman, John Kent. Green Lantern, Alan Scott, Lex Luthor, The Moon, Mary Marvel, Night Terrors, and Raven. Livewire, World's Finest, Elastigirl, Big Barda variant, Ghostmaker, and The Flash, Wally West. Brick, Wonder Woman, Gary the Conqueror, Titans Beast Worlds, Mirror Master, conveniently in the Silver Scatter. We got Batgirl, Cassandra Cain. The Cheetah, Beast Boy, World's Finest, Metamorpho the Element Man. We have General Zoo and Blue Beetle, Ted Cord. 4 personal packs, amazing. We will get on that shortly. We got King Shark, Cyborg, Titans Beast Worlds. We have Titans in the Lenticular. Look at all of them go. Ganta and Mirror Master. Mirror, Martian Manhunter. We got Steel, John Henry Irons, Detective Chimp, and Aqualad. Dr. Hate, Batgirl, Stephanie Brown, and DC Annual Black Adam, Amanda Waller, and Donna Troy. Wonder Girl, Cassie Sandsmark, Deadman, The Flash, Wally West, Dawn of DC, Black Adam variant, and General Zod. Nightwing, Steelworks #1. We have a backscatter over Robin, Amanda Waller, and The Flash, Jay Garrick. Green Lantern, John Stewart, DC Annual Superboy, The Joker in the Green Wave, Peacemaker, and Vandal Savage. Power Girl, Catwoman, we've got Trinity, Star Rookies, Green Lantern, John Stewart, numbered 7 of 399 in the suspended animation. Onomatopoeia, Superman #1 spot, Harley Quinn variant, and the Uncoiled. And our last pack, we have Kid Flash, Black Canary, Birds of Prey, the Flash Jake Garrick in the spots, Punchline, and New Nazo.